today we're doing an old-fashioned English strawberry and rhubarb crumble. Now first off, you need to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 190 degrees Celsius. And for the crumble we need to combine the flour, almond flour and sugar in a large bowl and just mix it really well. So next up we add in the butter. As you can see, I've got mine cut into smaller cubes. It just makes for easier handling. So we're rubbing the butter until the mixture begins to resemble breadcrumbs, and that takes a few minutes, so just keep working until you have the fine breadcrumb-like mixture. So once you have a nice and fine crumble mixture, you need to bake it. So you transfer onto a baking tray, which I've lined here with parchment paper, and just spread the mixture evenly across the tray and bake in the oven for 10 minutes approximately, just until it starts to turn golden. So the next step is the fruit layer. In a large bowl we're going to add in the sugar, the cornstarch and a sprinkle of cinnamon. And you mix all of these ingredients together because they are going to be the coating for your fruit. Okay, so then you need to add in the rhubarb and the strawberries and just mix them well until all of the fruit is coated with the dry ingredients. Have a large saucepan ready, and what you need to do is you pop all the fruit mixture into the pan and you're going to cook that. So add half cup of water to the saucepan and cook over a low to medium heat for about 5 minutes. You'll see the change in the consistency and how the fruit is soft and all coming together, and it's ready. So take the pan off the heat and carefully, and it's a really hot liquidy mixture, pour the fruit into an oven dish. Next, layer the fruit with the baked crumble, just making sure that you cover it all nice and evenly. Right, so the final step to this crumble is the crushed walnuts. I just use a pestle and mortar. It's quickly just a few minutes and you can crush them because you just want them very coarse. But the crushed walnuts just gives this whole dessert a rather decadent quality, and so if you have them lying around, I suggest that you definitely add these to the crumble mix. So you add them on, and then I normally just give them a quick mix through just to make sure that they're properly distributed through the crumble. And there we have it. So it's ready to just pop in the oven and bake. You'll be baking for 20 minutes and until the crumble is a nice golden brown. Thank you for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this recipe.